My name's Joe from makeuseof.com, and this is the Auto-Vox X1 dual dash camera. It sports a massive 9.8 inch touchscreen which fully replaces your rearview mirror. It has dual cameras, a lane departure warning system, full colour display and much more. So let's see if it's worth a $250 price tag. The X1 looks almost exactly like your car rearview mirror. It's roughly 10 inches wide and 3 inches tall, and the front facing camera is built into this main control unit, and it slides horizontally to ensure you get an unobstructed view of the road. The wide field of view ensures it will always capture anything you'll encounter on the roads. Powered through the included car charger, it connects directly to your cigarette lighter socket. The rear camera connects to the front module through the included camera connection cable, which you'll need to install into your car. During normal operation, the X1 records every moment but leaves the display off. This highly reflective screen allows you to see what's going on behind your car, which is essential as the display covers your rearview mirror. The X1 features a full HD front camera, 720p rear camera, 9.8 inch full touchscreen, GPS tracking, lane departure warning system, night vision, parking mode, and a smart reverse angle switch with guides. All the cables for power, GPS and the rear camera connect to the top of this unit. The microSD slot is here as well, but you'll need to supply your own memory card as one is not included. GPS tracking works through the included GPS module, and this connects to the main controller with the included cable. Once installed, all the captured video gets GPS location data embedded into it. The X1 installation comprises of several simple steps, and I was up and running within an hour. Like many dash cameras, the Auto-Vox X1 is super simple to use. Once installed and a suitable memory card inserted, the X1 handles everything else. By switching on the ignition of your car, the X1 turns on. As soon as it's turned on, it automatically starts recording. Once powered on, the default view shows you your speed, lane assist guides, time and direction. This can be distracting, so after 1 minute, or by pressing a button on the rear of the unit, the display switches off and you're left with an unobstructed mirror view out of your rear windscreen. Videos are recorded in 1, 2 or 3 minute chunks, which you can configure. Once the card fills up, the loop recording automatically deletes videos starting with the oldest, and by pressing a button on the display you can lock the current file to make sure they don't get overridden. If the camera detects a large enough shock, such as a collision, it automatically locks the current recording. Moving on to image quality, you'll be very happy. It's not the greatest in the world, but at the end of the day it's only a dash cam, and it provides a more than suitable image of what happened in any collision. It's not always possible to make out what's happening at night, but many dash cams struggle in almost pitch black scenarios. As soon as you add street lighting or any other additional light, it becomes much easier to tell what's going on. At the end of the day, dash cams are there to collect evidence of what happened during an event, and for these purposes the Auto-Vox X1 is more than suitable and perfectly clear. The Auto-Vox X1 is a superb dash camera. You can drive safe in the knowledge that it has you covered in the event of an accident, incident, altercation or claim. While there are many cheaper alternatives available, the X1 is a superb choice. While the quality isn't amazing, at the end of the day it does a suitable job. The fact that it replaces your mirror, so many people may not even know you're using a dash cam, is an additional bonus. Thanks for watching, and make sure you visit the link in the description below where you can read our full review of the Auto-Vox X1 dual dash camera. Make sure you leave a like and a comment down below telling us what you think, and make sure you subscribe to Make Use of if you've not done so already.